Hey there, are you constantly running into the dreaded "an error occurred while updating Counter-Strike 2 Missing Executable" message when trying to update CS2 on your computer? No worries, I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing this pesky issue so you can get back to gaming in no time. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Delete app cache of Steam. Start by clicking on the Steam tray icon, then right-click on Steam and select Exit Steam. Once it's exited, open up the File Explorer. Next, navigate to your C drive, then open the Program Files x86. From here, find and open the App Cache folder, then delete everything in it. Now reopen Steam and see if you can update the game. Solution 2. Verify and repair CS2. First off, let's click on the system tray icon. Now right-click on Steam and select Exit Steam. Once that's done, let's open up the File Explorer. Next step, head to your C drive. After that, open the Program Files x86 folder, followed by the Steam folder. Now navigate to the User Data folder and then find the folder with the numbers. From here, go ahead and delete the 730 number folder, then close the window. Now let's reopen Steam. Go to your library, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 from the left side menu and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Hit the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Let Steam do its thing of verifying and repairing the game. After that, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Run Steam as an administrator. To begin, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the search bar, type in Steam, then right-click on Steam 32-bit and select End Task. Next, close the Task Manager. Then right-click on the Steam shortcut from your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to give permission. You should be good to go and you will be able to update the game without any hiccups. And that's a wrap. You've successfully tackled the "an error occurred while trying to update Counter-Strike 2 Missing Executable Error" in Counter-Strike 2 in your computer. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.